I've lost 40 pounds this year, going down from 222 to 182. And my secret weapon is Costco. Now, Costco is a magical place where the smallest serving of rice you can buy feeds a family of five times a week for 5 months. And while it might sound daunting to have to eat the same stuff all the time because you're buying in bulk, on a fat loss plan, that is perfect because it's exactly the strategy you want to be using. Fat loss diets are deliberate. You scope out a set of meals that you know fit your macros, have good calories, and that you can just eat safely without having to eat reactively. That will just make your weight loss on autopilot. So Costco is super useful not only because you can get those bulk ingredients for preparing those meals, but also because it enables you to use a host of healthy ingredients. When you're buying in bulk, it's a lot easier to get those frozen fruits or veggies that can be a bedrock staple of an effective fat loss diet. I'd like to share a couple of my Costco Kirkland Signature TM creations to help inspire you on some healthy foods you could get from Costco. And let's dive into it. So the first thing that I eat on a daily basis almost during my fat loss dieting is this breakfast smoothie right here. You can see the ingredients. Here are the macros, and here's the overall cost. As you can see, it is a super healthy set of ingredients: tofu, greens, frozen fruit. It's not that expensive, and it's very macro friendly. I'm able to automatically have this every day because I got the ingredients in bulk. Now the second meal I use is...
We're Costco guys. Of course we had to try the new double chunk chocolate cookie.
Oh, sorry, scratch that. The second meal I have from Costco is a dinner chili. Ingredients. Here are the macros. And again, the overall cost, not too bad. I wouldn't say these are the most delicious meals ever. You know, I did effectively buy in bulk so that I can have them automatically and not have to put too much thought into my meals. But I like them and they work for me. And there's so many other things that could work for you. You can use the frozen fruits and veggies to come up with your own creations. If you like sandwiches a lot, you can buy their low-calorie bread in bulk and prepare a sandwich for work. If you like having chicken and rice, or you like having more of a meat-based diet, there's so many lean meats you can get there. Tilapia is a great fish, for example, or you can just get lean shredded beef, or you can get the $5 rotisserie chicken. And there's just so many options. So I really think that having a bulk mindset for your diet is excellent, and Costco is such a great enabler of creating that strong foundational meal plan. So if you're thinking about going on a serious fat loss diet and you want to do it without breaking the bank and still having healthy options, I highly recommend building a meal plan around Costco. And if you're curious about the difference between diets and plans, and you want to get started on your own weight loss journey, check out my video on planning versus diets.